Welcome back to the VST channel. As there were some demands for me to test 4K 30 FPS night video with the Vivo X100 Ultra, here it is. So I'm starting with the main camera, and this is the 1X. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the 0.6, which is the ultra wide. So this now is the ultra wide, going to 1, going to 2, 3.7 optical zoom, very nice and sweet, and going to 10. What do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comments. Alright, and now I can test the zoom length switch from 0.6 to 10x. Okay, a bit slower, I guess, in the evening, but still Vivo doing, I guess, a nice job. So now I'm gonna go back to 1 and show you a bit more of this. So I'm gonna start running to test stabilization. Alright, 4K 30 FPS should be more stable than 4K 60, and some people think that 4K 30 should in general take more light, which is the case with phones that have a smaller sensor like the S24 Ultra, 1/1.33 inches or 72 millimeters. But here we have the 1-inch sensor from Sony, the latest gen, the LIT 900. So one more time, 2x to test that sweet zoom, 3.7. A very compelling scenario. Testing the exposure. This is something hard, guys. All right, a lot of shining lights towards, oh, another light now just shining. So let's just test the lens flare. This is now probably thousands of lumens. I'm gonna shoot to 2x, 3.7, boom, very nice, and then 10, so we can directly see the light sources. One more time, going to 1x. I'm gonna start running to test stabilization. All right, not bad at all. And now 4K 30, I'm gonna switch to the front camera. This is the front camera. Testing stabilization. All right, not that great, I guess. I'm testing the back camera. Very nice and compelling scenario. Jameson. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, but I just thought it's good to use this as a test. Let me try to test the zoom lens cycle from the ultra wide 0.6 to the 10x, 1, 2, 3.7. There is, by the way, a stage mode that can get you more than 20 zoom, because right now, guys, I'm getting up to 20x, and you can get up to 30x with the zoom stage. Let me demonstrate. I'm now using the stage mode, so again 10x, 20x. This is the max that you can get the regular mode, but now we get an extra 30x, so this is now 30x. It's absolutely insane. 3.7, 20x, 30x. all right, see how much more I'm able to get going back to 3.7, and there is no 1x here. Back to the regular mode, guys, and as I'm going outside of that light source, I'm gonna go in the dark area so we see what happens here. Okay, and I'm gonna also be running a bit to test stabilization, 4K 30 again, and now I'm entering a very dark area, so almost nothing to be seen here, but nevertheless I wanted to show you what it is, the limit with the 4K 30. Alright, it's still not pitch black, right? This is the back camera, this is the front camera. Alright, see how much less light you can get, and the back camera again, 1x, 2.7, 3.7, guys, 10x, 11, 20x. There is already an update stabilizing the 4K 60 video. I'm still yet to get my hands on it, and there is an airplane landing here, so probably that's the maximum we can see. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the real content, support the channel, stay safe, it's over and bye.